We are live. We are live. It's hang on there. Oh, there we are. We are live. Your nervous system never lies. It notices what you avoid before you do. Isn't that something? Isn't that interesting? Our nervous system knows us all too well. You can tell yourself you're fine. You can stay busy. You can power through your day. But your nervous system, it already knows. It shows up as tension you can't shake, a mood you can't explain, a heaviness that doesn't match the day. And the reason it feels so real is because your body catches the truth before your mind wants to admit it. Did you feel that? We kind of feel that right there, right? If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And today's topic came straight out of one of those moments where my own body said, hey, you're carrying way more than you think. It wasn't dramatic. It wasn't a meltdown. It was just that feeling. You know the one where something inside feels off, but you can't quite name it yet? I had one of those days recently. Nothing huge was wrong, but my body was talking. My jaw felt tight for no reason. My breathing was shallow. I didn't notice it until I finally paused to really feel it and realize what was going on. My shoulders were kind of all tense up to my ears, and I hadn't even realized that I was really kind of holding myself there. Nothing happened, but something inside was remembering, holding, and was tracking me, right? That's the thing about the nervous system. It's not dramatic. It's just honest. It doesn't wait for you to be ready. It doesn't check your calendar. It just gives you the truth in the only language it has. Sensations, right? Just sensations. And the older we get, the more we've lived through, the quicker our system is to whisper. Something needs attention. Not because you're weak, but because your body is wise. Let me break this down simply. Your nervous system notices patterns long before your mind catches up. It sees the tension, the lack of rest, the emotional load you think you're managing. It alerts you through discomfort, not to punish you, but to protect you. Avoiding stress doesn't make it disappear. It makes your system work harder. Every time you push through something that you should have paused for, your body keeps score. It hangs on to the stress until it finally has a chance to release. That's why ignoring it never works long term, because it comes right back at us. Regulation isn't about perfection. It's about support. Inside out support, like nutrition, gut-brain tools, sleep, movement. Outside in support would be connection, calm environments, being around people who steady you. When both are missing, your system notices before you do. When both are present, your entire energy shifts. So if lately you felt off, heavier, or a little disconnected from yourself, please hear me. You're not broken. Your body is communicating. Your nervous system isn't trying to overwhelm you. It's trying to get your attention. And when you listen early, you don't end up in those big crashes later. If you want to see the simple inside out system I use to steady my own nervous system, one that helps me get ahead of the overwhelm instead of reacting to it, send me the word support. Just drop the word support. I'll share it with you privately. No pressure. Just a doorway. Just a doorway open for you. Again, I'm Claudette Eames. Thank you for being here. And I look forward to connecting with you.